Welcome to the first part of the Ultimate HTML and CSS series. In this series, I'm going to take you on a journey and teach you all the skills you need to build fast and beautiful websites that look great on all kinds of devices. In the first part, we're going to talk about the fundamentals of web development with HTML and CSS. In the second part, we'll explore the advanced concepts. And in the third part, we'll put everything together and build a beautiful, responsive, and blazingly fast website for an imaginary cloud hosting company called Moshify. If you want to play with this website, just head over to moshify.com and see it for yourself. This is what you're going to build in this series. I'm Mosh Hamedani, and I'm super excited to be your instructor. Now, let's jump in and get started. I've carefully designed this course so it can be used by both absolute beginners as well as people with some experience in HTML and CSS who want to fill the missing gaps. If you already know the basics and want to learn about specific topics, you're welcome to jump to those parts, but I highly encourage you to watch the course thoroughly from the beginning because I'm going to share a lot of tips and tricks along the way and I don't want you to miss out on them. Trust me, I'm not going to waste your time by over-explaining things. All right? Next, we're going to talk about the tools you need to take this course. All right, let's talk about the tools you need to take this course. For the starter, you need a code editor. There's so many code editors out there, like Visual Studio Code or VS Code, Sublime Text, Atom, and so on. In this course, I'm going to use VS Code along with a few extensions for starting a web server and formatting our code. You're welcome to use your favorite code editor if you know what you're doing, but otherwise, head over to code.visualstudio.com and download the latest version of VS Code. Now here inside VS Code, we're going to install a couple of extensions. So let's open the extensions panel and search for Prettier. Here's the extension we're going to install, Prettier Code Formatter. With this extension, we can format our code and make it pretty. This is a very popular extension. As you can see, it's been downloaded more than 9 million times. So over here, you're going to have an install button. Just click it and you're done. Next, we're going to install another extension called Live Server. With this, we can launch our website inside a development web server. Again, this is a very popular extension. It's been downloaded almost 8 million times. Now, in addition to these, we're going to use a browser to view and test our web pages. Again, you can use your favorite browser, but in this course, I'm going to use Google Chrome, and I encourage you to use the same browser so you can easily follow the course.